Hello everyone, welcome to Wordy Tailies. In today's story, we'll uncover 5 powerful lessons about managing money. These are lessons you might not learn in school, but they are crucial for achieving financial success. As we dive into Sam's journey, we'll also learn some new words. We'll see how to use them in sentences. This will help us practice English in a fun and easy way. So, stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a bustling little town, there lived a 27-year-old man named Sam. One afternoon, he sat on the side of the road, lost in thought. Despite working hard for 5 years, his life hadn't improved. Sam wondered if there was a way to escape poverty. He wanted to achieve true wealth. As he strolled by a grand mansion, something compelled him to step past the tall iron gate without permission. Little did he know this daring act would lead him to a life-changing lesson about money. From afar, he saw an elderly man sitting on a garden bench. The man held a cup of coffee in his hand. This man was Mr. Hayes, the mansion's owner. He was wealthy, but humble and generous in soul. Sam approached him politely and apologized for entering without permission. Mr. Hayes was surprised by Sam's sudden visit, but welcomed him kindly. He was curious to know why Sam had come. Sam took a seat beside Mr. Hayes and began to speak. He said he had worked for 5 years, earning a decent wage. Yet his life had not changed, and he could not get ahead. He asked for advice on how someone like him could become wealthy. With a warm smile, Mr. Hayes replied that anyone could achieve wealth. He said he would share 5 principles about money not taught in school. He assured Sam these lessons could lead to financial success. The first rule, Mr. Hayes explained, was to spend less than you earn. This rule was the foundation of all financial stability. Without mastering it, even high earners remain in debt. The second rule was to have an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses always appear. An emergency fund protects you from stress and bad decisions. The third lesson was about investing, starting with yourself. He advised Sam to invest in improving his skills and knowledge. Learning, growing, and mastering skills increases future income. The fourth lesson was to earn more by using those skills wisely. By building a business or producing value, income can grow. You are paid not for hours, but for results. As evening arrived, Sam listened eagerly to the final lesson. The fifth lesson was to create passive income. This meant letting money work instead of working forever. Mr. Hayes explained passive income could come from property or businesses. Wise choices and patience were essential for success. He asked Sam if he was ready to follow these lessons. He ended his advice with a gentle and confident smile. Sam replied with excitement and gratitude. He realized wealth required strategy, not just hard work. He thanked Mr. Hayes for the invaluable guidance. Tell us how this story helped you improve your English. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next story where we'll continue learning together. These lessons can apply to anyone, and age and background do not matter. Small steps lead to big change. Consistency builds strong habits, and discipline helps control spending, saving, creates future freedom. Learning increases earning potential, and skills turn effort into value. Planning reduces financial stress. Patience is key to long-term wealth. Smart choices compound over time. Money is a tool, not a goal. Wisdom grows through experience. Success begins with awareness. Action turns knowledge into results. Believe in your ability to improve. Your journey starts today.